Hello and welcome to another tutorial. My name's Josh Blanchard and we are talking about the project bin today. So let's dive into Premiere Pro and take a look. So over here on the left-hand side is your project bin. This is what holds all of your media, your audio, your effects, well, not necessarily your effects, adjustment layers, videos, etc. So let's get started. I'm going to import some media. Boom, all right. So here's some clips that I shot on the 4th of July last year. So after you import the footage, they're going to end up in your project bin. Now I can drag these over and I can make my sequence just like that. However, there's some important things you need to know about your project bin. And one of the biggest things I can say to help you guys get faster in your editing process is organization. So we're gonna talk a little bit about organization in your project bin and how to do that. So the first is you can create a new bin. It's just an empty folder right here, and what you can do, you can select all and drag it into your bin. And now all your footage is in this bin. So I'm gonna rename this footage. That's not how you spell footage. There you go. So now I have a footage bin. Now I'm gonna create an audio bin. Audio. Now I need to go online, find my song, so be right back. And there we have it, our audio. So I'm just gonna drag this into our audio bin, boop, just like that. Now I've got my footage in this bin, I can click over here, and my audio is in this bin. Nice and easy. Now, obviously, when you're editing a project that's only 8 clips and 1 audio source, you probably don't need to do this, but when you're editing larger projects where you have hundreds and hundreds of video clips, tons of sound effects, audio files, what have you, this will really save you a lot of time. So we're also going to add in another one. I'm going to call this sequence and adjustment. All right, I'm going to go in here. This is actually my sequence file. So I'm going to take this out of my footage bin and put it into my sequence and adjustment bin. This way I can keep track of all of my sequence files. If I nest sequences or I create other side sequences, they'll all live in here. And I can also create my adjustment layer. Boom, just like that. I can drag this in, and now I have an adjustment layer, and you can obviously drag in as many of these as you want. You can also organize your footage using this guy down here. You can do sort by label or by selected, by name, all these different sorting options you can do. So when you have hundreds of clips, it gets easier to find the clip that you are looking for using this. You can make them bigger, make them smaller. You can also change how you view these. You can view them as a list. This is a really cool view because now you can actually see the frame rate attached to each file, as well as the media start, media end, so on and so forth. And you can also change the color of these. So say I want to make my 120 frame per second footage a different color. Now all my 120 frame footage is pink or rose. My 24 frames is blue, and I can change my 60 frames to, let's do teal, why not? So now when I drag these in, they actually change the color in the timeline as well. So this is just a really great way to stay organized, be really efficient while you edit, and it will really help keep you sane during the editing process, because there's nothing worse than trying to find a file for 15-20 minutes because you're not organized. So I hope this video helps. There will be more videos just like this talking through the functions of Premiere Pro. So I hope you guys stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button, the bell icon, so you can stay notified when I post a new video. So I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace.